Hey WordPress webmasters, Christian from RackNerd TV here, and today we are diving into a powerhouse plugin that is going to add a ton of functionality to your WordPress site, Jetpack. If you want to enhance your site's features and security, you are in the right place. Before we jump into it, make sure that your WordPress site is hosted on a reliable platform. For hosting services that have your back, check out RackNerd.com. Now let's jump into the video and explore how Jetpack can take your WordPress site to new heights. First off, why should you consider Jetpack for your WordPress website? Jetpack isn't just a plugin, it's like giving your website a superhero suit. It's a comprehensive toolkit that brings features like site statistics, social media integrations, and enhanced security all under one roof. You don't need to be a tech genius to use Jetpack. It is designed for users of all skill levels, making it easy to implement powerful features without breaking a sweat. So what's in it for you? Well, Jetpack offers a range of functionalities, including the site performance insights, social sharing, automated backups, and protection against spam. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your WordPress site. The plugin also provides a centralized dashboard giving you an overview of your site's performance and security status, allowing you to manage everything in one place. Now that we're excited about what Jetpack can offer, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to set it up on your WordPress site. Alright, so I'm on my screen now, and the first thing we need to do is log into our WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Jetpack. Once you find it, hit Install Now, and then activate the plugin. Now, let's set up Jetpack to unleash its superpowers on your site. Access the Jetpack settings from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, let's get started by connecting Jetpack with our WordPress.com account to unlock even more features and ensure seamless integration. If you don't have an account yet, just create one and check your inbox to confirm. Once your new account is connected, explore the user-friendly interface where you can activate the features that you want for your site. Whether it's site stats, social sharing, or enhanced security, Jetpack has you covered. If you're not familiar with all of these, don't worry, I will walk you through each of them step by step. So please follow through my guide here as I show you how I set up my demo account. But you're free to select your own choices if you're familiar with anything from here on out, okay? Let's get into it. And that's it, your WordPress site is now equipped with Jetpack, ready to soar to new heights with enhanced features and security. And there you have it, your WordPress site is now armed with Jetpack, making it more powerful and secure than ever before. If this tutorial helped you level up your site, give it a thumbs up and share it with a WordPress buddy out there. And subscribe for more WordPress tips in the future. For reliable hosting and a feature-packed WordPress experience, check out RackNerd.com. We've got hosting solutions that align perfectly with WordPress. So thank you for watching today, and until our next WordPress adventure, I'll talk to you soon.